This is Sydney DeMello here. We are supporters of revolutionary goals. Okay, and we have all gathered here as a Sogla Lok Ekta Jalto is just to show our solidarity and the support to Manoj Parab. Today he has been framed under all wrong sections. Okay, and he has been targeted by the current government. They are trying to suppress his voice, and he is a voice for the entire Goans. Today he is a voice for 1,000 people, and these people you can see here, these people are maybe just less than 100 people here, all maintaining under social distancing. But we could have got easily thousands of people here together and make sure that we fight against the solidarity for Manoj. We will not accept this suppressing of his voice. We are trying to tell straight away a clear message to whoever people concerned behind this, that we want all the charges which have been against him to be discharged as soon as possible. Or else we will continue this retaliation and hesitation amongst our supporters all over Goa. And we demand immediate discharge of all these charges. And if not, then we will be in support with him to whatever action he is going to take. That is our biggest demand.
आज आमी हिंगा मनोजाक सपोर्ट करपा आयला जो गव्हर्मेंट आमचो एक दबाव करता आमचे जो आमचो मनोज परब आहा तो आमचो एक गोंयकारांचो एक वॉयस म्हणून मुखार सरलो आहा आनी तेणें कितें केलां फकत एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक तेणें एक आवाज काडलो तो एनवायरमेंटल जे डिस्ट्रक्शन जाता ते आमच्यान चोवपाक जायना सो आमकां लागून तो मुखार सरता आनी तो मुखार सरता जाल्यार ताका हेसोले फॉल्स चार्जीस घालून ताका एरेस्ट करता ताका मागीर बॉन्ड हें फारीक कर म्हणटा तें हें आमी मान्य आमी करना आनी आमी मागता गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं हे सगळे चार्जीस तेजे डिस्चार्ज करपाच्यो आनी ताका हितून परतून आनी हें करपा न्हू जरी तर गव्हर्मेंट कितें हेजेर सारकें सोल्युशन काडना जाल्यार मुखार कितें करपाक
First level is central government, second level is state government, and the third level is rural government. The constitution gave the villages the right. See, this right is not to be given to us by our state government. The constitution has already made us, I'm repeating, the constitution has already made a given that the villagers have to decide under their panchayats the kind of development they want in the rural areas. The state government cannot impose it against the wish of the people. Many of us do not know this rule. And we think, if the central government or the state government does something here, it is their right. No. Please go home, buy a copy of the Constitution and read Articles 243 onwards. 11th schedule gives the villagers the right to decide. We are supporting Melauli villagers who are fighting for their rights. They have that right. And RG went there to support them. And the police filed a complaint to the collector. Have you seen the complaint? Most of it kitne borela police do because of COVID-19. Manoj will infect the people until do it Patel. So we can not allow them to come. So the deputy collector has issued a ban on these three people. And kitne borela sign a bond of 10,000 rupees that you will not come. And every week you will come and show yourself here at the police station. What is this? So against that, Ayala. So we are supporting Manoj Poon. We are also supporting the villagers to fight for their rights. Please. Do you know about alternative site? which Susan Dablikar offered to me, Aikola. Melauli is not the only place for IIT. Some months back, Susan Dablikaran Sanglele that please come to Paramagudi. We have 3 lakh square meters of land. Put the IIT there. Adakite, it is a better place. We have to investigate if there will be so much tree cutting or not. There will not be. Secondly, Ponda is right in the middle. Sam ke modhe asa in Goa. Anyone can come from anywhere to join the IIT program. So there is already an alternative proposal. Chinga cheu chesh monaka. If the people don't want it, respect their rights, constitutional rights. 73rd and 74th Amendment. Te sangtat te bashin down there. So this is our support for not only Manoj and the other 2 with him, Aditya and Alex. Paul, we are also standing with the people. Thank you.
सो बेसिकली मनोज जो सपोर्ट मलालीचे गांवचे लोकांक दिता ही इज ऑल्सो ट्रायंग टू प्रोटेक्ट द लॉ वीच इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन गिवन टू अस बाय द गव्हर्मेंट. सो जेन्ना तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न करता जाल्यार ताका काडून ते जेलीन घालता वो अरेस्ट करतात. सो ही हुकूमशाही आमी मानून घेवपाची ना. तो लोकांनी हांव मागता सगळ्यांनी तुमचे घरा लागीं वसात आनी हो विशय तुमचे फॅमिली लागीं आनी तुमच्या सोयऱ्यां लागीं शेजरा लागीं
Just move out from there so that he is not into the trouble as well. So anyway, whatever the reason behind it, we don't know. So what we'll do is we have almost given the initial message to the press. Our motive and the full the idea of this media to call today and give a press was to support Manoj from this crisis what is going to go. Basically, the government, what we can see, is trying to suppress his voice. He is a voice for thousands of bones, and we don't want that voice to be suppressed. Every constituency, he has given the hope from north, south, east, west. He has reached every corner of our Goa, and he is one hope, last string of hope, which we can, which we feel that we should support him and participate ourselves in this revolution. So this is a good moment. I think apart from this what we have gathered, there should be all gathering all over Goa, and we should raise our voice against however this he has been tried to suppress. So many sections have been put on him, okay, unnecessarily. He has been called in Satari and stay 1 day in the week. Then same thing will happen. One day he'll come to Salsette. They will say, okay, you stay 1 more day into Salsette, also 1 police station. 1 day you come here. 1 day you go some Kankon. 1 day you go some different constituency. So he will be only wasting his time in sitting here and there, and he'll be he'll suppress his full movement. We don't want revolutionary Goans, the movement to be suppressed. All over Goa, this has to only rise, and the family has to only expand. That is a full motive as of now.
सोडचे ना